Alright guys, today I wanted to come on here and do a quick unboxing review and install on my new 7-inch car display. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out, but let's go ahead and take a look at it and see how it works, and then we'll go ahead and put it up. Alright. Some safety stuff, manual, warranty info. Packaged really well. Here's the display right here. It should open up like this. Several ports back there. We'll go through those in a second. All right, so this is if you want to put it from your windshield, you can do so. Auxiliary cord. If you want to just put it like on your dash. The power cable, it is a type C. Awesome. So that's everything. We'll go ahead and put it in the car, see how it works, and then go from there. All right, so let's go ahead and set it up. So we'll hit English. Let's connect. All right, so we are in. So here's some of the options. Got Android Auto, the CarPlay, AirPlay. This one's gonna be my favorite. And then we got regular audio, different settings on here. So as you can see, it does auxiliary, loudspeaker, and then it's got the FM transmitter right on there. It looks really, really clean, looks really, really nice. Let's see if we can get some AirPlay on here. So you literally just hit AirPlay, and then it'll come up on here as DYAP. So let's go ahead and connect. All right, so it looks like we got the AirPlay hooked up. So it should just be casting everything from here. So as you can see, it is. So let's try maybe YouTube. Try that. Everything is casting right onto there. Super cool. Let's click the first one we see. And what if we turn it around? Yeah, that looks very cool. Very, very neat that you can get a bigger 7-inch display right on there. All right, so now I got the Apple CarPlay hooked up. So now we just had to hook up the Bluetooth to it, and it worked just fine. So as you can see, it'll hook up your maps or your podcast right on here. So if you do like any kind of delivery service, you can definitely use this as a bigger screen. Thought that was kind of neat. All right, and then the last cool feature that I'll show, and it works with all of them. So if you just hit like podcast, and if you don't want to use like your speakers from your car, check it out.
But I own the world record for most sales ever in a room, right? So I learned the skill set. I visualized.
It's got its own built-in speaker, so you can listen to music, your podcast, the maps. So that's another cool feature depending on the vehicle that you have. If you don't want to connect it through auxiliary or anything like that, it's got a built-in speaker right into it. So there you have it. Cool 7-inch display. Definitely a great upgrade to any vehicle. Like I said, I used to do DoorDash, and I used to do Uber Eats. If I had a bigger display like this to see the maps, it would definitely come in more handy. Or if you just travel a lot and you want to have like something where you can cast your screen to, whether it's Android or Apple, like I said, it does that. CarPlay, AirPlay does both. It's got the built-in speaker. One of the other things I wanted to point out, you can plug in a memory card on here, the auxiliary that it comes with, and then a rear cam as well. So like I said, you can still upgrade more to this if you'd like to. So if you're looking for a good HD display for your vehicle, definitely look into this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.